Ladies and gentlemen, fellas, ladies, what's going on? It's your boy Broadway J, host of the channel Kicks and Beats, the channel that gets back to the hood so you know what's good. Hit like and subscribe if you haven't yet. If you're new to the channel, welcome, welcome. Now, we got an interesting shoe to get into today, but before I even get into this shoe, I gotta let you guys know what it is. It's a UA pair. That means unauthorized authentic. This came from a UA provider, the same people I'm sponsored by now, and this is called the Yeezy 400. I know when it comes to those people that's into the brand, you're gonna be like, that's unheard of, it never came out, there's no news regarding this shoe. I know, just to let you guys know, the UA people, they don't make no mistakes when it comes to this. Now, to see that they spend thousands of dollars just to get the molding of the shoe and everything they need to produce it how it's supposed to be done, it means something. It means that they most likely seen it at a Yeezy factory. That's most likely what it is. One thing I can tell you guys, it looks like the Yeezy 450, and it makes me wonder, what if this was the original concept, but at the end they just wanted to make some edits to it, and eventually they came out with the 450. Now I'm going to show you what I'm talking about right now. This right here is the Yeezy 400. This is what came out, the Yeezy 450. See the resemblance? Pretty crazy if you ask me. And it's real different too. When it comes to the 450, it's real sleek and it's pretty tight around the collar area of the foot. After wearing it for like 2 to 3 hours, I feel like a diabetic, literally. So kind of sucks, honestly, but it's all good. After wearing it for a month or two, it starts to get a little better on you. This right here, you're not going to face that issue. And not for nothing, I hope Yeezy brand comes up with this. I really think they should release this at some point because this one's real interesting. Now, I like the materials. If you take a look at the upper, it's all suede. Over here in the front, well, not all of it. The side over here is like prime knit material. The front is like some sort of suede. I'd say it's like felt. You got felt over here around the toe cap area. You got this wavy design over here when it comes to the midsole. I like that part. It's a real nice feature. And look at the front, the toe box area. That's pretty unique. And look at the tongue, how it is down the inside. I like that too. And just to let you guys know, I've already worn this. You know, when it comes to Yeezy brand, you usually always got to go half a size up from your true size, aka your Yeezy size. Now when it comes to this shoe, I went half a size up like I usually do. These fit me too big, so if you guys decide to hit up my supplier, do yourselves a favor and go to true to size and use product code JASON to save 7% off your purchase and all future purchases in regard to this guy. You should see his Instagram handle pop up like right here, right about now. Yep, that's the source right now. So make sure you hit him up if you need a pair. And when it comes to other pairs too, they all look on point with the real pairs in stores. Let me show you another example. Look at this right here. This is the Faded Azure. Exactly like the real thing. And I got it from the same people. Alright, so I don't want to take up too much of your guys' times right now, so I'm basically gonna give you that on feed look, but before I do that, I just got one more feature to show you. Take a look at the bottom, like the actual, so I know it's kind of dirty at this point. Well, not too dirty, but I know it's a little dirty. If you look at it, you see these little zigzag designs inside. It's basically glossy, while the rest kind of looks like matte-like. I kind of like that feature. And of course, you see in the center, you got the word Boost, so this does contain Boost. And this is a UA pair, I know, but it feels just like Boost. It's the same damn thing. But anyways, enough of me talking. It's time to show you that on feet look. Let's get to it. Alright y'all, so this is the end of the video. Please let me know in the comment section below what you think about the shoe. Do you like it or not? Is it a cop or drop? If you're interested, hit up the supplier once again. Here's the IG handle right there. If you check within their biography, you can see the link that'll redirect you towards their website. Now, keep in mind, this is not the only colorway they got. They actually have 3 in total, and they look pretty nice, so go take a look at the website and see if you like one. Like I said, true to size, that's what you're going to want to do with these. Stay tuned because we got more shoes pulling through. I think within the next 2 or 3 weeks, something like that. So you already know what time it is. It's your boy Broadway J, host of Kicks and Beats, and I'm out. Peace, y'all.